Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today I am playing Football Universe. And guys, tell me if you want to see me play more on this, cause it's great. I'm over here on the red side. Woohoo! You can see me jumping. Anyway, this is amazing. Anyway, I'm quarterback, man. I'm so bad. Look at the quarterback. Wait. Sorry. Look at that. I'm level 56, guys. 56. You're welcome. Woohoo! Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, sorry. Anyway. The result is tails. The Steelers have won. Would you like to kick or receive? For the Steelers. The Steelers elect to receive. Which direction would you like to defend? North. Ah, it's south. Good luck, gentlemen, with today's game. Punt returner. Kick returner. Charge. Oh yeah, baby. Woohoo! That was me, man. Me. Oh, me. Come on, say hi, man. I knew he would say hi. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh, guys! Interception! By myself. Woo! That is so amazing, guys. It's so hard to get interceptions in this game. And look at that. I did it. Oh my word. What you got on me, dude? Huh? Nice, dude. Okay, anyway. I want to real quick see, how do you... Handoff is X. Okay. Thank you. Would any of you like it? No? Okay. Like. Oh my. You see... Oh, come on. Ah, dude, that was right to you. 3-point field goal. Okay. Up, up, up. Maybe that way. Okay. Oh, come on. I remembered that I have to do that now. Can I get another interception, guys? Oh, of course it goes that way. The long way. Boom! What? Dude! No. That wasn't supposed to happen. Dude, I so had it under control. How did he do that? Okay, skip. Stupid skip. I have no playbooks. Or plays. Dude, look that. I should have had him. Excuse me. Anyway, dude, that was so annoying. And I'm by myself now? So unfair. Oh, never mind. 2-point failed, man. 2-point failed, man. Oh, yeah. Best thing ever. Oh, hello. I'm here. Kick it, man. Kick it, man. Kick it, man. Ooh, nice kick. Oh, whoa. Whoa, wait. Like. What the heck? Ow. Dang it. Of course I had to roll over him. Go, 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 go. What the heck? How can I not throw? That was, like, such a good one, too. Hey, that was a pretty good punt. Dude, that was a good catch. Man. Okay, guys. We can do this. Mainly because we have the exact same number. Oh, you're kidding me. Yes! Woo! I'll go out here. Guys, this is just so that... Oh, you're kidding me. He's running it. Nice. Dude, I have some pretty good teammates, honestly. Oh! Interception, baby! Not by me, but almost. Dude, that was a good play. Look. Bacon Boy comes over. Come on, over more. And boom! Woo! Oh, gosh. We have a very, very bad field position. Okay. I think I might have put it... Oh, what the heck? Okay, how do you... More power. R. Okay, good. What the heck? I am such a bad... Oh, come on. He was really, honestly, there. Well, at least it was incomplete. Really, Bacon Boy? Really? Thought you were on our side. No! I hate myself. That is so annoying. Look at that. Come on. I should have seen him. Alright, guys. Well, this is annoying. Really annoying. He's not gonna make it. Like I said. Because I put pressure on him, man. Yeah. Now, this kicker's good. Like, really good. Basically comes down to me getting it. And running it. Woo! Alright, 20-yard line, that's pretty good. Go, 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 go! What the heck? I am the worst QB ever at throwing. What? No. No. Alright guys, oh my word. That was a annoying interception. At least I tackled him. Shoulder injury. We have an injury. No. I made that do that. Dude, I loved my first interception. Oh, come on. Man, Houston Texans not doing very well. Horribly, actually. Like, really badly. But we can still manage to do it. Oh, dude. No good! Uh-oh. Which way is it gonna be? Which way is it gonna be? Which way? Which way? Okay. That's over there. It's over there. It's over there. It's over there. It's over there. Okay, I got the same place. Woohoo! Yo. Okay. What? Okay. Fair enough. Dude, throw it. I'm pretty much open-ish. He has no idea what to do. Oh. He knows what to do. Wow. See, I don't understand. It's so annoying. Dude, right over here. Dude, throw it to me. Dude, I'm wide open. Ah! Wow. Amazing. Dude, right here. Really? He just loves throwing it to that guy. Dude, hello. Oh, come on! I could have caught that. Needs to be up more. I realize that now. Oops. Also, we probably should have been closer. Oh. New play. Yeah. 9. Okay, good. That's actually kind of funny. Guys, look how short I am to this guy. No, I'm taller than this dude.